Namaskar, this is Deepak Thapa from GlowSign Academy, and I am the social subject teacher of this school. Today I am going to teach how to calculate the SDI of any country based on the given data. In the previous video, we learnt about what is Human Development Index, what is Human Development, and what is development. As well as we learned about different indicators that are essentially required for the SDI of the world. There are three dimensions as health, that is life expectancy at birth, then education, that is related to knowledge and qualifications of the people of that very country. Then last dimension is per capita income or the GDP of the country. Today we are going to discuss about the calculation of SDI based on the given data, how we can calculate the SDI. Before calculating the SDI, we should know the fixed value that are essential for the calculation of the SDI. These fixed values are applied while calculating the SDI of any country. The first indicator of SDI is LEI, life expectancy index. Its minimum value is 20. While calculating the life expectancy indicator, we should use the minimum value 20 years and maximum value 85 years. Similarly, for the education index, we should use two values. One EYS, the another is MYS. EYS refers to expected years of schooling. MYS refers to mean years of schooling. The minimum value of EYS is 0 and maximum value of EYS is 18. The minimum value of MYS is 0 and the maximum value is 15. Similarly, the last indicator is income index, and in income index we use US dollar, PPP, purchasing power parity. The minimum value of income index is 100 US dollar and the maximum value of income index is $75,000 US. Now, after remembering these values, fixed values, we can easily calculate the SDI of any country based on the given data. Well, after learning these fixed values, we will go how we can calculate the SDI. There are 4 steps to calculate the SDI. Look at the board. Step 1. What is the first indicator? LEI. LEI is equal to value of given country minus minimum value and divided by maximum value minus minimum value. This is the first step to calculate the SDI, and second step 2, education index is equal to MYS divided by 15 plus EYS divided by 18. You know, the MYS highest or maximum value is 15, lowest value is 0, so we shouldn't use it. The highest or maximum value of EYS is 18, EYS is divided by 18. Then whole divided by 2. This is the second step. And step 3, II, income index, IN, value of given country minus IN, minimum value, divided by IN, maximum value, minus IN, minimum value. Well, these are the 3 steps to calculate the SDI. This is the last step. Step 4. SDI is equal to 3 root LEI into EI into II. Well, these are the 4 steps. Using these 4 steps, we can easily find out the SDI of any country on the basis of given data. Okay? Well, now I am going to calculate the SDI of a country. We are given a value here on the board. LEI of of the given country is 65 years. The MYS of the given country is 4.4 years. The EYS of that country is 10.7 years. And the income index of the given country is $5,350. Now, on the basis of given value, we are going to calculate the SDI of that very country. Yes, I told you we should use 4 steps to calculate the SDI. Let's see. Step 1. We should find out LEI. LEI is equal to given value minus minimum value divided by maximum value minus minimum value. I have written here the formula of calculating LEI. You must use the scientific calculator while calculating the SDI. Don't use normal calculator. Okay, let's start. Is equal to given value 65 minus, we know the fixed value. The minimum value is 20. The maximum value is 85 and minimum value is 20. Is equal to 65 minus 20, 45. 85 minus 20, 65. Is equal to 45 divided by 65. 0.692. This is the value of LEI of the given country. Step 2. Education index. MYS divided by 15 plus EYS divided by 18 and divided by whole by 2. Given value is 4.4 divided by 15 plus EYS 10.7 divided by 18 whole divided by 2. Okay, 4.4 divided by 15, 0.293 plus 10.7 divided by 18, 0.594 whole divided by 2. 0.293 plus 0.594 is equal to 0.887, and this data is divided by 2 and we can have the value 0.443. This is the value of education index. Now we are going to the third step. Okay, we are going to calculate the step 3 of the SDI. And for the step 3, we can calculate the income index. The income index given value is 5,350 US dollar is equal to IN given value is 5350 minus, we know the minimum value. Iron, $100 is the minimum value, and iron, again we know the maximum value, that is the fixed value which is used globally, 75,000 US dollar, and minimum value is 100, is equal to, don't forget that you should press iron button of the scientific calculator, iron, then 5350 is equal to 8.584 minus, again you should press the iron button, then 100, then bracket close, is equal to 4.605. Don't forget, press the button iron, 75,000, then bracket close, is equal to 11.225 minus, we know the value, minimum value, 4.605. Then we can subtract from given value to minimum value, is equal to 8.584 minus 4.605 is equal to 3.979 divided by 11.225 minus minimum value 4.605, 6.62 is equal to, now we can divide 3.979 by 6.62. 3.979 divided by 6.62, 0.601. Well, this is the value of income index of the given country. This is the step 3. Now we are going to calculate the SDI of the given country. This is the last step. Step 4, SDI is equal to 3 root LEI into EI into II. We are at the last step. This is the last step, or step 4, and we can calculate the SDI by using the formula 3 root LEI means life expectancy index, EI education index, and II income index. They are multiplied to calculate the SDI of the very country. Look at here. We have already found out the value of the given country, LEI 0.692, EI 0.443, and income index II is 0.601. 3 root. First, you must use scientific calculator. Okay? Now, shift 3 root, then 0.692 multiply 0.443 multiply and 0.601 is equal to, we have the SDI of the very country 0.569. Therefore, SDI of the given country is 0.569. Well, YouTube viewers, today in this part 2 video, I taught you, or we learnt about how we can calculate the SDI of any country based on the given data. We learned the calculation of SDI. There are 4 steps, and first step is calculation of LEI. Second step is calculation of EI. Third step is calculation of II. Then last step is calculation of SDI of the very country. Thank you very much, all the YouTube viewers. I am very grateful to Glosine Academy Secondary School situated in the eastern Chitwan, Nepal, and as well as I am very thankful to the videographer Deepak Kesi sir. Bye.
Glosine Academy Secondary School, Khairani 8, Parsa, Chitwan.